Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to register your TouchIT LED. Now your Y series LED does not come with any software licensing or physical software in the box. You need to register the product and then you'll receive via email your license key and your download links for the software. So when you install your LED on the wall, when you take it out of the box, you'll see a nice large set of instructions on the top left of the LED. It's a sticker that tells you what to do. But if your installer has removed these, then you can just follow the instructions in this tutorial. The first thing you're going to need to do is navigate to touchititechnologies.com/register. And you will see this page here, and we actually have an explainer video on this page that will walk you through the same steps that I'm going to talk about here now. So you can watch the video in your own time. Once you're ready to register, you're going to need your serial number, and that's found on the left hand side of the LED. Just round the back side of the frame, you'll find that number. It's on a sticker. Once you have that number, you can then come up to the form, input your name, your school, your email address and the product serial number. And if you have purchased more than one LED, you can register several at one time just by adding more here. So you can see I've now got 4 serial numbers that are ready, and this will allow me to register, and I will receive all of the software keys in that one email. The benefits of registering mean that if you lose your license key in the future, you can enter your serial number and we will email the license key to that email address that's on file. And don't worry, if you no longer have access to that email address, just let us know, get in touch, and we can verify your purchase and then send you those license keys. So registering, really simple. It's just a case of entering your name, your email, your school and that serial number, and then we'll send you an email with all of the links that you need to download your Octopus software and to get started with Contribute Cloud. Hope you find that useful. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.